guys. Good to see you again.
Come on this way.
Hi guys.
What is your name?
Did you go to school today? Did you guys go to school today?
Yeah?
Hey, I want to talk to you guys, okay? Listen to me, okay? I want you guys to go to school. Do you go to school right now?
Yes.
You do? If you go to school, you learn
Yes.
and you can get a good job later and make a lot of money, okay? Oh, no touch. That's not nice. Hi! How are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? You can't see?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. We're okay. We have to go catch our ride. Is this your grandmother?
Monkey.
Is she? Bye-bye. Okay. You guys go to school, okay?
Yes.
Next time I come back, I want to make sure you guys have gone to school. Every day? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, sweetie.
Here's a little.
Hi. Aw. Hello. How are you? Good. Hi. Hi guys, it's our friends. Are you gonna do your dance and song for me? Okay. Go, let me hear it. Start singing.
Pipi galimoto azunguswa shula shula pogon. Pipi galimoto azunguswa 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 shula pogon. Pipi galimoto azunguswa.
Hey, did you guys go to school today? You did? What did you learn today at school? Hi, Pumpkin! What did you learn at school today? Huh?
My wrist.
Your what? Hi.
Hey,
Yeah.
my wrist.
Your what?
Give me my wrist.
Your what?
Give me my whistle.
Your whistle?
We don't have
I don't have a whistle, sweetheart. I'm sorry.
You go to school, you make lots of money, you could buy lots of whistles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Keep singing. Oh, here comes some more. Hi, guys. Hello.
No, it's not for me.
Here comes some more. Here they come. Hi.